Come for me, my God. Absolutely hate it. Garbage. Does not plump your lips. This? Wow.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly. Look at my Cartier. God, I'm a loser. Ooh. Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. So I know you're probably wondering, why on earth are we on your floor? And that is because for today's Vlogmas, we're gonna get clean. We're gonna get organized. We're gonna look through all of these drawers and get rid of everything, and there's possibly like stuff in here from like 6 months ago and empty boxes and little things that are just garbage that need to get thrown away. So let's go through them. Okay, so we're gonna start with this bottom one. I'm gonna be totally exposed, and you're gonna see all the stuff that I keep in here that I really shouldn't keep in here, but I do. So I'm gonna make a garbage pile and a keep pile, which will be in front of me and you can't see. So makeup wipes, yes, I know, they're bad. Come for me. I've got this cute little bow thing, or not, it's to put your, when you're skincare, you put your hair up, yeah. I've got this big green scrunchie that I got off of Amazon, and I never, there goes the dishwasher, can you hear it? Every video, it's trying to get me, it's out to get me. I think I'm gonna get rid of this though. We'll put that in the middle, it's in the middle maybe pile. Some eyelashes that are in the maybe pile. Oh my God. Give it a moment. Okay, anyways, I've got a bunch of palettes down here. One of my favorite palettes I have honestly ever gotten was the Pirates of the Caribbean, palette, and I've hit pan on like almost every color. This color up here, Yoho, oh, and Bones, Pirate Chest. I mean, I use so many of these colors if you can see them. And I guarantee you all of this makeup is expired, but do you think I care? Now, I've got my Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. I know, come for me, my God. But I've only honestly really used Just a Theory and pretty much like the brown colors. I've used some of the crazier colors a little bit, but the only one I like haven't used is the silver Diet Cola one, or what's the tea. But I actually went to the Mall of America when him and Jeffree Star came to that Morphe store. I stood in line, I saw them. I didn't meet them, but I saw them. I went to that Morphe store, it was crazy. So this is just a special, I don't know. I like it, I like the palette. Sue me. And I've got this Anastasia palette. Oh my God. I have the original Naked palette. I should really throw this away. I've hit so much pain. I don't know. You know how like you just throw stuff in a drawer and you just are like, whatever? That's basically where I'm at. Just random stuff like eyeglass, like, you know, to clean your glasses, like, and like extra scrunchies. Like, they're all things that like we'll use in like a measuring tape. They just never have like a spot. Now, oh God, here we go. Here's the empty boxes. So I got this, here's some tea. I got this Lip Injection Extreme by Too Faced. Bubblegum Yum was the color. I still have it. It's a lip plumper, and this was like on TikTok, like TikTok made me buy it type deal. Absolutely hate it. Garbage. Does not plump your lips. Absolutely hate it. Highly don't recommend. This really old lipstick. Ooh, this is like, we're just gonna throw it away. It was called Burgundy Blush. Oh, this thermometer thing. Throw it away. Oh my God. So this, this is Max Spring Sheen, and I wish they would put the date on here, but this is from like 2009, and I should throw it away, but you know me, I'm not going to. Body butter, we're gonna keep that. Fish oil. So how are you guys doing? Like, are we all doing good? Is like Vlogmas stressing you out? Do you wish you would have done things differently? Is this good? Like, how is everybody doing? This Too Faced foundation. It's like, you could tell like I should throw it away, which I am. Oh dang, I got these eyelashes are probably so, whoa. They're probably like so crazy. I'm gonna keep them though. Lactate. Oh, this little brush that came with my bronzer that I don't use that much. Oh, this is, I was wondering where this went. Too Faced, the chocolate bronzer. I like this stuff. It's probably expired, but whatever. I've got this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, like this mascara. Absolutely hate it. I hate it so much. It's bleh, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Wow, look at how good we did. We're already to the bottom. Okay, so we're gonna keep this out. We're gonna put all my palettes back in there. Let's move to the next drawer. This one's a little more chaotic. So I've got my contact lenses, all of my many cocktail of vitamins that I take, because you know, health. I do this thing where like I'll buy something from Ulta. I go to Ulta. Ulta is my jam. I love Ulta. I'll buy stuff, I'll keep the receipt, and then I'll keep the box, like the boxes the stuff comes in, and I'll just hoard them until like I'm like for sure like 100% on the product, like I'm gonna keep it. Even though Ulta does this really cool thing where like if you buy a shade of anything, like let's say you buy a shade of foundation and you get home and it doesn't match, you could just bring it back. They can look up your phone number and then find it, and then you could just trade it in for like no charge, which is really cool that they do that. The fact that I keep all that stuff, there's no reason for it. All my glasses, my Ray-Ban glasses, gotta keep those. Random brush. Oh, I should get rid of that brush. Yeah, maybe I'll keep it. I never put my hair in a bun, so I don't know why I have that. Oh, this. If you're looking for a really good makeup brush shampoo, I highly suggest, if it'll focus, it's this Eco Tools brand. It's cruelty free and it's free of parabens and I can't even say that word, but it's free of like a lot of junk, and it smells really good, and it really cleans your makeup brushes like really well. And I got it at Ulta. So if you're looking for a good makeup brush shampoo and don't want to spend a lot of money, highly recommend that. Oh, I gotta throw this away. All-time favorite eyeshadow primer is Urban Decay Primer Potion. I've been using this stuff since like 2008. Well, not this exact one, but like this product since then. Nothing beats that. I love this primer potion. I got this last year. It's Urban Decay's Naked the Fix, and it's like this, it's a pressed powder. You can see like it comes with a little, like, this is supposed to be like a charcoal brush, whatever that does, but it's just like a pressed powder. I really like this. I really am a fan of Urban Decay's stuff. Like I have so much of their stuff. Like look at, I even got like some of their eyeshadows. Some of my all-time favorite eyeshadows are this color that was called Sin. Look at, I don't even have anymore. I hit the pan, but I won't get rid of it. And then this one is just the regular Urban Decay Naked. Look at, I like hit the pan a long time ago. And I just hang on to them so I can remember like the name. To match that Pirate of the Caribbean's palette that I have, I got this Pirate of the Caribbean lip gloss by Lorac, and it's called Me Hearties, and it's this like, it's like this really, I don't know if you could see that, this just really pretty color. Here, maybe I'll put on some for you. It's like a really pretty like sheen, super light. No, you can't even see that. It's like this really pretty, you know, look at, I got a big old zit coming right there. Again, an empty box, garbage. You know, a laxative because celiac, GI problems. Okay, there's a lot of hair in here. Okay, again, one of my favorite all-time mascaras is Clinique's Lash Power Mascara in the color Dark Chocolate. You guys have seen me wear this or talk about this stuff. I absolutely love it. I have this really old lip gloss. I'll probably never wear this, so I'm just going to get rid of it. Here's that lip injection lip gloss. It's literally brand new. I only keep it because, I'm only gonna keep it because it was like really expensive. Here's my other MAC blush that I got like way back in like 2009. It's called Sunbesk, I don't know. I'll probably keep it just to keep it for nostalgia purposes. This can go like I feel good. This feels right. Like, I've been wanting to do this for months and might as well make me do it, you know, by like recording it. Oh my God. Here's my fake Cartier bracelet. So I saw a bunch of YouTubers wearing these Cartier bracelets, which I don't even know how much they are, but I know they're at least $1,000 or some crazy like that. So I went to good old Walmart and got my fake Cartier bracelet. Yeah, exactly. Look at my Cartier. God, I'm a loser. Now the next thing is underneath this drawer. And obviously you can't see it, but I will drag it out. Like, oh my God. There's just a lot. Like, here, I'll show you. So here's the mess. You know, it's just like a lot of girl things. Again, here's bags that like are just empty that I just keep and I just throw. So we are going to look through all this stuff and organize it. Let's bring out all of these Lululemon bags that I have. Okay, so here's the thing. This one is all of my fake nail stuff, all of my nail polishes, and this one is all of my body sprays. Guys, look. Do you remember this? Oh, Central Amber, Brown Sugar and Fig, Bath and Body Works. Are you kidding me? Oh my God, guys. This. Wow, this is a flashback in time. This is when this first came out back in like 2008 or 2009. This is the Britney Spears Fantasy. I mean, they still sell it today, but this is one of the original ones. You know how like smells take you back? Oh my gosh, this one, this Moonlight Way from Walmart. This was my jam back in the day. Japanese Cherry Blossom, Midnight Pomegranate. Oh my God, this was my jam. Like, look at how much I used out of it. These are so old. Oh my gosh, this one, look at how gross that is. I've got like the top would always fall off, so I taped it on. It's called Dream Angels Heavenly. I'm pretty sure this is a Victoria's Secret. Oh my God. These all brings back so many memories. Oh my gosh, remember Mary Kay? Maybe some of you don't, but Mary Kay used to be a makeup brand, and I was obsessed back in the day before I knew they were a scam and like an MLM. But this one, Tribute. Oh, and then this, Gender One. I think this is like a knockoff. I got this at Gordman's when Gordman's was still in Central Wisconsin. They're all gone now, I think. But I think this is a knockoff of Calvin Klein's. That's why it's called Gender One, because I think Calvin Klein came out with like something called CK1 or something. And then the last two, oh my God, Hollister. Oh yeah, God, that brings back memories. Spirit, I don't know what this is. Oh. I don't like that. Okay, I'm gonna throw this one away. See, this is the thing. They all have memories, and it's really hard for me to like get rid of them. Well, at least I looked at them all. We're just gonna put them back in the bag, and I'll decide later. We definitely can't get rid of the Britney. I mean, free Britney. Her conservatorship is over. I have to keep this just because. I'm so glad she's freed. This is just bags. Bags. I have so much stuff under here. I didn't even like realize I have this much stuff. I'm gonna keep cleaning and then I will come right back.
2,000 years later.
You guys, this is all of the garbage. Well, there's other stuff on the floor, but this is most of it. This is just random stuff that I had in my drawers that were just literally sitting there, that taking up space, taking up valuable space in my home, and I'm gonna throw it away. Here's to cleaning. All right, guys, I don't think you're ready. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Boom. Wow. I know like this was already here when we bought the house, so that's not from me, but look at how beautiful it looks now. I mean, yeah, there's still stuff. It's still like stuff, but like definitely not as bad as what it was. Man, I'm so proud of myself. Plus, look at how nice that is. This one, I mean, it's still a lot of stuff, but it's all, I mean, that's as good as it's gonna get for now. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I will see you bright and early tomorrow. Bye.